Welcome to Salt and Carbon. Join us as we travel around Australia, enduring highs and lows with our trusty pop-top troopie called Tina. Sit back and enjoy today's episode. In today's episode, we drive the relatively short route from Cervantes to Jurien Bay. We have finally made it to Jurien Bay. Everyone's been telling us how pretty this place is. We're going to head into the information center now and then ask them what there is to do around here, and then yeah, we'll show you around. Pretty fresh. This morning I'm going to try to catch some squid on the Jurien Bay jetty, and Jen will be going for a run. How's this for a sunrise, eh? All the beautiful peachy pinks and blues.
What are you fishing for?
Some squid.
Oh, squid. Yeah, I saw someone get a squid yesterday.
All of these black marks on the concrete are squid ink.
Ah, right.
Yeah. We're just packing up after a failed squidding event. Unfortunately, haven't caught anything today, so we'll have to try again. Jen and I have just decided to come to Sandy Cape. It's a campsite only about 10 minutes drive away from Jurien Bay. But as you can see, the weather is not that great, so we're staying in Jurien Bay for the night, and we're going to do the sea lion encounter tour experience tomorrow, and then the weather promises to be better tomorrow, and then we'll stay here for the night tomorrow. So it seems like they are busy constructing a lookout point, or maybe they're maintaining it, because there's some construction bunting around that area. It's quite a beautiful place, and this beach over here you can drive your car onto and then go all the way down around the back beach, so to speak. After exploring the peninsula, we parked Tina on the beach and just admired the views. Little did we know we'd be in for a golden sunset. How good are the WA sunsets? It is currently 6:30 in the morning. Jen and I are ready in our wetsuits. We are excited to go and see the sea lions. The weather's a bit average, but hopefully it clears up. It should get a lot lighter because the sun only gets up at around 7 or so. Here we go! This video is a bit chaotic, but it goes to show what you need to do to keep these sea lions entertained. They like to play, and so you need to twirl, spin, and dive down to play with them. Oh, and you also need to remember to breathe every now and then. Jen and I just got back from the sea lion tour. Honestly, one of the better experiences that we've done so far on our trip. If you're in the area, check out Turquoise Safaris. They are a friendly bunch. They also do some of their money of the tour itself goes to nature conservation or to conservation of the sea lions, and yeah, honestly, very professional. So if you are in the area, go check them out. Oh, and I forgot to mention, when you're done with your being in the water, they give you a nice cup of Milo coffee or tea and some Tim Tams, so it's obviously a good thing. As always, Jen and I thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this episode, and we can't wait to show you what we get up to next.